This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Wilkesboro, North Carolina. 1. Wilkes Heritage Museum Complex. Start your Wilkesboro journey at the Wilkes Heritage Museum, the perfect introduction to this foothills town. Housed in the historic 1902 Wilkes County Courthouse, this museum is packed with fascinating local history. You can walk through the old Wilkes County Jail, complete with its original cells and the jailer's living quarters. You can also tour the Robert Cleveland House, a log cabin dating back to the 1770s. The museum exhibits cover everything from early settlers and moonshine stories to NASCAR legends and military history. A fun fact, Lowe's Home Improvement actually started right here in Wilkesboro. The Blue Ridge Music Hall of Fame section honors the musicians who shaped the region's sound. The staff are passionate and full of stories. Plan to spend at least an hour here. It's a treasure trove of Appalachian heritage and the best place to understand the soul of Wilkes County. 2. North Wilkesboro Speedway. Just a few miles away, you can visit the legendary North Wilkesboro Speedway, a true icon of NASCAR history. This 0.625-mile oval short track opened in 1947 and hosted NASCAR races for decades. After years of dormancy, the Speedway has experienced a thrilling revival. You can take a lap around the historic track or visit the museum to see racing memorabilia. The facility has a capacity of 25,000 fans. Even if you're not attending a race, it's worth a visit to feel the legacy of this legendary venue. The Speedway hosts major NASCAR events and camping for festivals like MerleFest. Check their schedule for race weekends and special events. This is a pilgrimage site for any racing fan. The roar of the engines and the history in the air are unforgettable. 3. MerleFest Music Festival. If you're visiting in late April, you absolutely must experience MerleFest, one of the most beloved music festivals in the country. Held annually on the campus of Wilkes Community College, this 4-day event celebrates traditional plus music. It was founded in memory of Merle Watson, son of legendary guitarist Doc Watson. You'll hear bluegrass, Americana, country, blues, and rock across 12 stages. The festival features food trucks, craft booths, and even a stage just for kids. It feels like a homecoming, even if it's your first visit. The 38th annual MerleFest runs April 23rd to 26th, 2026. Tickets sell out, so plan ahead. It's a feel-good weekend that keeps people coming back year after year. This is the heartbeat of Wilkesboro's musical soul. 4. Downtown Wilkesboro Walking Tour. Next, lace up your walking shoes and explore the historic downtown district. The downtown Wilkesboro Historic District covers 37 acres and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. You can take a self-guided architecture tour with 13 stops that showcase the town's character. The 1902 Beaux-Arts Courthouse is a highlight. The area is walkable, welcoming, and full of character. You'll find restored historic buildings, independent shops, and public art. Browse the boutiques, antique stores, and galleries scattered around Main Street. The downtown comes alive with events, festivals, and live music throughout the year. It's the perfect place for a relaxed afternoon of exploring. Park once and spend the day discovering this charming small town. 5. Stone Mountain State Park. Just a short drive from Wilkesboro, you can explore Stone Mountain State Park, a true natural wonder. This 14,000-acre park is home to a massive 600-foot granite dome that's a must-see. You can hike the Stone Mountain Loop Trail past waterfalls and climb toward the dome. The park offers 21 miles of trails for all skill levels. It's also a world-class destination for rock climbing. The park is partially in Wilkes County, making it an easy day trip. Pack a picnic and enjoy the scenic views from the top. The hike is challenging, but the payoff is breathtaking. This is one of North Carolina's most spectacular state parks. Don't forget your camera. 6. Kerr Scott Reservoir. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the Kerr Scott Reservoir, a massive lake offering endless recreation. You can go boating, fishing, and camping along the water. The reservoir is surrounded by extensive trail systems with more than 40 miles of single track built for mountain bikers. The Dark Mountain Trail system is nationally ranked for mountain biking. You can also hike, birdwatch, and enjoy the peaceful scenery. The reservoir is a hub for outdoor adventure in Wilkes County. Pack your fishing rod, your bike, or just a picnic blanket. It's a perfect spot for a full day of fun in the sun. The views of the Blue Ridge foothills are stunning. 7. Blue Ridge Parkway. Wilkesboro is the perfect base camp for exploring the Blue Ridge Parkway, which runs along the county's northern border. You can access the parkway at mileposts 248.2, 261, or 276.4. The parkway offers spectacular scenic views, hiking trails, and picnic areas. Drive the Cascades Trail for waterfall views. North Wilkesboro has long been known as the key to the Blue Ridge. The parkway is especially beautiful in the fall when the leaves change color. It's a short drive from town, making it an easy day trip. Roll down your windows and enjoy the fresh mountain air. This is one of the most scenic drives in America. Don't miss it. 8. Local wineries and vineyards. Wine lovers will find several excellent wineries in the Wilkesboro area. Raffaldini Vineyards offers a uniquely authentic Italian experience with award-winning wines and breathtaking views. Jones Von Drail Vineyards is a family-owned farm tucked into the south-facing foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Carolina Heritage Vineyards is the first and only certified organic vineyard in North Carolina. You can enjoy tastings, tours, and relaxing afternoons in the beautiful countryside. Many wineries are located just a short drive from town. It's a perfect activity for a leisurely afternoon. Sip, savor, and take in the stunning views of the Yadkin Valley. Cheers to good wine and good company. 9. Suck It Up Milkshakes. Indulge your sweet tooth at Suck It Up Milkshakes in downtown North Wilkesboro. This spot takes milkshakes to a whole new level. Their creations come loaded with whipped cream, sprinkles, cotton candy, and over-the-top toppings that turn your shake into an edible work of art. Try the Blondie, a strawberry shake topped with an ice cream cone. It's a fun and delicious treat for all ages. The milkshakes are as photogenic as they are tasty. It's the perfect way to cool off after a day of exploring. This is a must-visit for anyone with a sweet tooth. Don't leave without trying one. 10. Blue Ridge Food Tour. Finally, taste your way through Wilkesboro with a Blue Ridge Food Tour. This walking tour through downtown North Wilkesboro includes local restaurants, family-run businesses, and small plate tastings. You'll hear stories about moonshiners, musicians, and local families. The tour also includes a visit to the Old Liberty Theater. It's a fantastic way to experience the local food scene and learn about the area's rich culture. The food here is fresh, the portions are generous, and the Southern hospitality is warm. Come hungry and ready to explore. Wilkesboro is a small town with a big heart. The history is deep, the music is alive, and the people are welcoming. Come ready to explore and leave with a full heart.